Hey folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Oh wait, there's no Dude logo on there. That's because I didn't make this guitar. That's right, this is actually a really cool, it's a PJ based light. Here's the neck that originally came on it. What I did is made a replacement neck. Over time, sometimes, these things are made of wood, and over time, they can't falter, and that's what happened with this one, and it's beyond adjustments. Truss rod's not doing its job anymore, and there's two ways to go about it. You can actually very carefully, you can get the truss rod out and repair and replace. It's tricky. You could either take the skunk stripe or you could take the fretboard off. I've heard from folks that they're never really quite the same, unless you're like Dan Earlywine or somebody who's really crafty at doing that. Sometimes it's better just to replace the whole neck, and that's what we did here. And reason being is we're taking advantage of the fact that it's a bolt-on neck. Also, the wood itself to this is different. This one was flat sawn, this one's quarter sawn. Apparently, history has proven that it's a little better as far as keeping from twisting and warping throughout the years. Plus, aside from having a thicker skunk stripe, this skunk stripe here is basically just a fillet to cover up the truss rod. This one actually is a big chunk of wood. It's a quarter sawn mahogany that's actually in there. So it's bigger. It also does have two carbon fiber rods as support, and beams, actually real nice thick 6mm beams, and we've got a two-way truss rod, not a single bowed rod like they used to do back in these days. Hopefully it's going to be better. Time will tell. This thing was 40 something years old and it just failed over the last year or two. So does the guitar still sound good? Yeah, I think it does. Well, if a bass player was playing it, I'm sure it would sound really good. I think it did a pretty good job of that. That's about as close as I can get with the headstock. And there you have it. So, what can I say? I trying to not only make guitars, but make necks and replacement necks, conversion necks, you name it, necks. I've got a couple other neck projects coming up, so you'll get to see them. One, we're doing not only a neck for the guitar, but also just a whole restyling. So we're doing pick guard assembly, and all that's going to be restyling from a traditional piece. And that's real quick, easy, in and out. And hope you guys tune back in. We're almost done with these guys. We got a lot of footage that we're editing down into hopefully some shorter videos for you, a little more entertaining that way. And what can I say? Thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.